Andre, what are we working on? We're working on that kind of scratch here that was on the quarter.
Now I don't know how much it's going to do because it is through the clear. It is in the paint, and there's a ton of scratches all around here. But a lot of the times, you know, going over it with in a base coat, clear coat, you can reduce the look. There's not much you can do with this as far as repair because of how deep it is. But a lot of the times when you go over it, you can reduce the look of it, you know, because I mean, basically we're exfoliating the skin of the paint. So we'll see how this goes.
Scotty with a box of T-Bird goodies. Wow. That's better already.
Yeah. Well,
like I see it, but I see less of it.
Yeah, I mean, the clear coat is obviously gone and we're into the pigment level, but we also got rid of all these surface scratches.
Scratches are gone.
I mean, this is normal stuff from being washed, you know, car washes or just sand or wherever this car spent most of its life after it was repainted.
Phoenix, and then here.
Oh, so it was sandblasted.
Yeah, it's been in sand though.
But I mean,
the whole time.
You know, there's nothing you can really do. Even if I took clear coat, you're gonna see it, and you can try to put a clear coat bead on there, which good luck, and then kind of wet sand it a little bit and kind of buff it. But for that much effort, you're still gonna see it. So there's not much you can do. And to fix this, you know, depending on how old the paint is, you can do a small shot after you repaint, and then you have to blend all of this, and then you can blend the clear depending on how old the clear is, but then you don't know, and it's a real crapshoot. You know, and you don't, to fix this, since there is no natural seam, you'd have to go and like.
Yeah, it's not like a car where it's got a quarter panel that bolts on.
Yeah, it doesn't have a quarter panel. It's all one smooth, you know. So it's like, so sometimes you just got to live with a few imperfections. But as long as the rest of the car's shiny, most people won't notice.
Yeah.
And this thing is shining up beautifully.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's got a little dust on it from buffing, but god damn, that looks good.
Yeah. And I haven't even. This is just stage one. So this is just the cleaning, removing scratches. Then I have to go over it with the finishing compound and the softer pad. This is wool, and I'll go over it with soft foam, and it'll, like I did the passenger side T-top.
Oh yeah, and you can see
there's a big difference.
There's a big difference. You can go right on the seam there. Like you can see it right here, and that shows the difference. Yeah. You can see the difference in color and everything.
Yeah, and it brings out a lot more clarity because that removes any scratches that the wool left, and then the compound is. It's basically going from like 3,000 to 4,000 to 5,000 grit sandpaper.
Oh wow!
And really, really, really bringing out the shine. So
nice. Andre's on it.
I'm on it.
Attaboy.
She'll be purty.
And now I'm up here, finishing up fan wiring. Hood's on like we stated. Nice. Nice. Getting there.